Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up PayPal invoicing. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to log into your PayPal account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you could do that on the official website. And next, you want to navigate to the invoicing section. That's in the top navigation bar, or it could be the bottom navigation bar, depending on which device you use to log in. But just look for invoicing and just choose the invoicing option. Next, you want to create an invoicing template, so you can click the create invoice button, and then you got to enter your business name, address, and your contact information. And you could also add a logo to your invoice template if you have one for your business, or if you want to use that. And next, you want to choose a template design that suits your business needs, assuming you're particular about that kind of stuff. Next, you can add invoice details, so just enter the invoice date and number. Also, you want to enter the billing address for the invoice. You can also add the item or service you're invoicing for, including the quantity, rate, and amount. Next, you can add taxes and discount to the invoice if applicable. Next, you want to send the invoice, so just enter the email address of the person or business that you are invoicing, and you can add a message to the invoice if you want to do that. You can just click the send invoice button to send the invoice to the recipient once you are done. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up PayPal's invoicing. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.